Hi, everybody. It's Adam. Coming to you with a puppet story featuring Petri, the parrot, and Miss Bunny, the bunny. Because we're going to talk about good relationships. It's always important to know how to get along in relationships. So, Petri, what did you want to share today?
I want to share how you tell someone you like them.
I think that'd be great. Okay, Petri, how do you tell someone you like them?
Like this. I like you.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, that's it. You just tell them. You're fun to be around.
Thanks.
We laugh together.
Thanks.
And you're just really nice.
Oh, see, that was perfect. Okay, good job, Petri. That's awesome. Miss Bunny, how do you tell somebody you like them?
I use song.
Use song?
All right, I love songs. Let's see what you got.
'Cause I'm your bunny.
All right.
And I'm your biggest fan. Oh boy. Whenever you reach for me,
Oh,
I'll do all that I can. Oh boy. We're heading for somewhere.
right. Somewhere where?
Somewhere I've never been.
Okay.
Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn.
Right. For the power of love. Oh, that was a good one.
All right. Yes, that was quite the song. I'm impressed. So it sounds like there's a bunch of different ways to tell someone that you like them.
Yep, I think it is. You can be really clear and say, hey, you're cool.
Thanks. Or you can sing them a song. Or you could give them a present.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
I like it too. Presents are awesome. Okay, so you could tell them, sing it to them, give them a present, or maybe even write them a note. All those things can tell someone, this is a way that I like to be around you, and you're fun. Good job, everybody. You know what? I think that's a good start to our lesson today. Think about ways that you can tell someone you like them. Thanks. Bye, everybody. Okay.
All right, bye, everybody.
Okay, I guess it's just me left to say goodbye, everybody. And hope your relationships go really well. Thanks.